Hey, are you looking to reach your audience in a personal and unique way? Welcome to this video that will show you how to build an easy and powerful automated voice campaign allowing you to cast critical information to a large group of people. In this short demonstration, we will use Wazo Enterprise Programmable Communication combined with Node-RED. Wazo's solution exposes a large variety of communication APIs to web developers and can be deployed in any infrastructure. Node-RED is a low-code visual flow programming tool using Wazo's and Google's APIs. So let's discover our use case. Voice alerting is used to improve your sales, customer satisfaction, brand loyalty, and security. Today, we will show you how a banking company can inform its users when a non-conventional activity occurs in its account. As you can see in the flowchart, the different steps are: the internal banking system is triggering a call. The user will receive a call with a dynamic message including information on the activity. The user will be able to confirm that he performed the operation using DTMF on IVR. If the event is a fraud, it can be redirected to an agent by using another TMF. With voice alerting, you can quickly engage direct communication with your users. You can track it and make it knowledgeable. Now let's build it with Node-RED. Here, we are building our demo scenario by easily dragging and dropping functional blocks and set them up with our environment variables. So now let's see from a more technical standpoint and discover Wazo's APIs and event services. In this Node-RED scenario, we will be using nodes coming from the Wazo palette which request the API primitive to interact with the call. The logic behind is to catch an event coming from the Wazo WebSocket via the event node to trigger an action. This scenario can be scheduled or manually started. It collects phone numbers into a Google spreadsheet and starts dialing them one by one every 5 seconds. Each outgoing call is set with a timeout of 15 seconds during which the callee has to answer and acknowledge the call. Otherwise, the system hangs up the call. After the acknowledgement of the call, the system will play the recorded message and suggest to transfer the callee to an agent by using another DTMF. At the end of the call path is collected. Once the call is ended, all choices made by the callee are collected, stored into the Results tab of the Google spreadsheet. Now, here is a live demo of the use case. First of all, here is a Google sheet which is set with our user database in the first tab. The second tab will be automatically filled with the result of each call. For the needs of this demo, we will start the campaign manually instead of using a business logic trigger. Here we go! You can see the first call reaching our smartphone as we are taking the call and hearing an ad hoc audio message. Then we dial 1, acknowledging the call. First call is over. While the second call is reaching our soft phone, look at our Google Sheet tab receiving the first call result. As we did not acknowledge the second call, result is now appearing in the spreadsheet too. This demo campaign is now over. Our 2 customers have been reached and results have been reported in real time in the spreadsheet. We could go further implementing a second round for all non-acknowledged calls or reaching those customers through another channel. Note that if you used a simple Google spreadsheet, we could have used any database or even a CRM like Salesforce, either to get customer information or to report call results. This banking use case is just one example. Wazo Enterprise Programmable Communication can be used to cover any business case as long as your information system exposes APIs. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have a use case to solve, feel free to contact us using the link in the description. We will gladly help you to build on-measure Wazo solution. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of the next coming videos and visit wazo.io.